Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you two different ways of how you can repost videos on TikTok. So I'm going to go ahead and open up TikTok, and you just want to go ahead and find the video that you want to repost. So let's just say for an example it's this one right here. First of all, if you would like to repost this, you can either tap the share button. So tap this button right over there. Once you do that, you'll see the repost option. Now, if you're not seeing that option, go ahead and update your TikTok app to the latest version. You can tap on that to repost it. Now, another way that you can do the exact same thing is if you actually tap on the comments and then you tap on this little @ symbol right over there at the bottom right hand corner. If you tap on that @ symbol, you can see here it says repost. If you go ahead and tap that button, it is also going to repost the TikTok video. So those are just two different ways of how you could possibly repost a TikTok video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.